Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the video I show you some of the kit that I will sell in my Facebook group, and it's all hand dye and crochet item kit, and this is the pink color theme. So I show you what you will receive from this pink kit. Okay, yeah, for the item, oh, it's a hand dye. Yeah, this also hand dye this like a rosette, very soft pink, and this one is a rosette flower. And most of the item is from my stash, and I use, yeah, just want to clean up my craft room, so I have to sell all the items that I collect quite sometimes. And all this is one of my favorite long tassel trim, and I hand dyed it with the very pale pink. Okay, and also this beautiful like a collar piece, also I hand dyed with this very pale pink color, very big piece, and actually you can cut it out. And this one is another my forever favorite, like a leaf tassel. So yeah, also hand dye. And also this one, very pale pink, and this is like a 1 yard, and this one also. Okay, and this just a small piece. Okay, all pink, and all this is a crochet cotton dolly, also hand dye with the very pale pink. 3, 4, and the different. Okay, well, this is the hand dye items here, and I will show you the crochet flower. And I crochet this big, I don't know how to call this flower, but yeah, and you can see the like a ruffle, and I sew the beads here. Okay, and the center I also glue in this center piece, flower piece. So it's very beautiful, and underneath I use another color because yeah. So you have this one, and different of the crochet flower, different color. Actually I make this last year, but I just have no time to do the video to show you all. Yeah, so I arrange the time to take time to to do this video and show you all. And yeah, hopefully you all like this kit, and you can get this, grab this, yeah, for your projects. So you got this 4 beautiful 3 layer, different color. Okay, and this one very pale pink is like a bell flower. You got one of these, and you got this tangle, like also actually is different color. You can see the pink and this one, and you have one piece of this, and one of these, and or this cherry, and 3 of these flower. Okay, all this is the item for this pink set, and I also have another two different color, and blue and lilac, purple color, so I will show you. And actually some of the item will different from the others colors. I will show you. Okay, so and the price and the shipping, everything I will post into my Facebook group. So yeah, if you're interested, please join into our Facebook group so you can get this kit. And pink only have 3 set. Blue, actually I make 3 set, but one already reserved by one of my permanent member from my group, so I will keep the blue kit for her. So blue only have 2, and the purple have 3 set. So yeah, let me to show you. Okay, I come back and show you. Okay, this is the purple kit, and yeah, for this kit also, yeah, all this hand dye, and you also have this long tassel with this very soft purple, and this my forever favorite, also hand dye with this very soft lilac color or lavender color. And also got this one, and this small piece here, and the color also very pale lavender color. And also you have 4 of these hand dye with soft color, and also this okay. And this one with different, yeah, I include this, so the price will different also. So I include these 2 big one. The pink one is the pink don't have this size. The pink only have this, and the purple one I put all this here, so different. Yeah, so you have these 2. This. Okay. And this one is a different item that I add into this purple kit. So you have this one, and you have 3 to this ruffle. So yeah, this is the purple one. And for the flower, for the purple also, you got 2 of these, and the pink one only have 1 of the, yeah, I crochet very thick, and this one I include this one. Okay, and you have this also 2. Okay, and this one, the bellflower, got 1, and this long one, 2 different color, got this one, and you also got this, and these 3. And the difference is the flower of this from the pink. I add all this. And for the small flower, you got this. Okay, the purple one. Okay, so the price will different. Okay, I show you the blue kit. Okay, for the blue kit, also very soft. This rosette trim, you can cut it up, yeah. And also we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 of this very pale blue crochet dolly, and this ruffle flower, and also the color very pale blue, always hand dye, and also with this blue, and also with this one very soft pale blue, and this one. Okay, this like 20 or this almost half yet only. Okay, and this small piece, and also this one is different, like the purple set, the price same. We check, yeah, this one the pink only have these 2 different, so the blue also have this. The extra item is I include this, 4 of these, and this. Okay, so this is the blue one. The difference is yeah, almost same with the lavender. And for the flower, I make this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. And you have one of these flower. You also have this. And you also have this. This is the flower actually different one, so you have this one, and you have this 3 one. Okay, and the small flower you have this. Different. So I will, yeah, this may, yeah, we make it same price with the lavender set. Only the pink color set is, the price is different. Okay, and yeah, that's it. The blue only have 2, the lavender purple kit have 3, and the pink also have 3 set. And yeah, if you are interested, please check the price and the shipping in my Facebook groups. And yeah, it's first come first serve order. And thanks again for everyone, and see, and bye bye.